Imagine you are in charge of a project and you want to ace your managing skill. However, the lack of management, unpredictability of demand, and limited resources can be a roadblock. That's when you hear about Trello. Greetings everyone, my name is Simran Verma. Today I would like to talk to you about Trello, a cloud-based project management tool. Before investing any effort into it, you decided to draw up differences between on-premises and cloud tool. On-premises, the scalability costs more money and it has limited resources, whereas on cloud it is time efficient and it is really cheap. Server storage on premises is done in warehouses and it requires constant care, whereas in cloud it is done by our cloud service provider. Data security. On premises, the data is at constant risk of data loss, whereas data is more secure on cloud. The recovery of lost data is really low on premises, whereas data recovery is really fast on cloud. Last is maintenance. The maintenance is cost money and it requires more people on premises, whereas the maintenance of cloud is done by the cloud service provider. So in simple words, we can say that the cloud is, rather than managing files and services on a local storage device, you will be doing the same over the internet in a cost efficient manner. So without further ado, let's get started with what exactly is Trello. So Trello is simple and easy to use collaboration tool that can enable you to organize project and everything related to it into boards. With Trello, you can find all kind of information like what's been worked on, who's working on what, and what progress the project is making now. We will learn about that in a little bit while we are talking about the Trello demo. Now let's talk about the advantages of Trello. Now first of all, Trello can be used immediately after signing up. So Trello offers you a free sign up after which you can get access to at most all Trello's features. Secondly, it follows the Kanban system. So the Kanban system is a popular methodology that can be used to achieve lean. So with Trello you can also achieve lean. Now Trello can also has a very popular mobile application which also has the same feature as the interface that you see on the desktop and it is very user friendly. Now the four advantages is that all project related items can be seen on one page, which means everything you need about project is available on one place. Next, adding new members, creating issues and assigning them are really easy with the help of Trello. Now that we had a look at advantages that are provided by Trello, let's have a look at the live demo. You log into Trello.com and this is the homepage of the Trello. If you are a new user, you can sign up as I have already an account, so I'm just gonna log in. You have many options here. You can log in with Google, with Microsoft, Apple, with Slack. I'm going to log in with Google. So this is the page comes up when you get logged in. Now you can see we have many options here, like first you can see workspace, recent, started, templates and create. Then you have here also board, template, home and workspaces. All the workspaces that you will create is gonna show here. And if you click on particular workspace, what's in it, it's gonna show here. So let's just create a new board. Okay, first I'm gonna show you how to create a workspace. Gonna go here, just gonna give you a name, like I have given company coordination. What's your workspace type? Mine is engineering IT, and a little bit like we provide IT solutions, and then continue. Now you have to add members. I'm gonna add members here. Oh, is she? Okay. And invite them into workspace. So as you can see, two workspace has been created. Yeah, this company ko and Simran ko. Okay, so let's now we gonna create a board here. Board, create your first board. So my board's name is gonna be business and workspace company co visibility to workspace. You can change the visibility. It can be private that only admin or you can see it. It can be public that everyone can see it, and workspace that like only the members is gonna see it. So only the members gonna see it. So I'm gonna create it. So this page appears when you create a workspace on a board. Here we can say there are many options like about this board. You can add description about the board, like why is board and what is the motive of creating this board. You can change the background. There are many pretty backgrounds up here. I'm just gonna change it to this. Then there are custom fields. There are many stickers given over here to make your little fun. Power ups. You can use power ups. Power up is basically uh, gathered information of some fields like analytical and reporting, automation, board utilities, developer tools. So you can just directly use it and apply it on your boards. Moving on, we have here many cards. These are called cards. Like let me show you add a list like on hold. Add list. So on hold I'm gonna move it to there. So these are like conditions like your is what to do, what to do, then it's doing and it's on hold and then it's done. So let's just add card. You can add card like what to-do list like delivered product to company A. Add card. Now deliver product to company B. Add card. Similarly, you can use n number of cards here. Okay, so add card. You can move this card along with its status like it's doing, it's in progress, it's on hold, or it's done. So let's just say learn more about this card. On opening this card you have many options like this card is on list on hold. Notification follows members. You can add members for this card like you want to do this particular, give this particular task to a particular members. You can add over here like the heck. I'm gonna give this to them. Okay, so there are two members that joined here. After this you can give labels. There's an option label. You can provide label like this. This label means it's urgent. If you see this label, which means it's gonna be urgent. Create new label. Okay. See. So this is gonna be the urgent label. We have checklist. Checklist, let's create a checklist with say steps. Add. So it's gonna show here and you can add items like requirement gathering, analysis, add, and then there can have many steps like design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So if like requirement gathering is done, you're gonna check it, it's gonna cut and your 17% work is done, designing is done, like, so you're gonna just take it and any members can do it. Testing is done, implementation is done, and once all work is gonna done, it's gonna look like this, like, yeah, it's completed. So move on, let's go on a date. It's like a due date, like this project has to be done before this due date. You can add any date of your choice. Attachment, like you have some PDF of information and you want to see it frequently, you're gonna attach it here. Add covers, you can add covers. There are many fancy cover available over here. I'm just gonna upload it. Okay, so next we gonna have activity is like I can ping someone and ask them what they're working, like how's it's going, like I'm gonna send. When I post it, it's gonna notify the all members and everyone can reply over here. So this, okay, and like this card is on, you can still move it, like it's on progress. For some reason it's on hold, and yay, finally it's done. Like 6 on 6, it's done. Let's go explore some other options. Here we have templates. There are many templates like business, design, education, engineering, marketing. Any template of your choice you can choose up here. I'm going to home. So overall, by using this, it's make our project management skill way more good and efficient. So I hope everyone's gonna use it from now on. And thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.